Let's solve for x. Log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 4 equal to 2. From our equation, x minus 1 should be more than 0 and x minus 4 should be more than 0. In other words, x should be more than 1 and x should be more than 4. So here 4 is a larger number, so x should be more than 4. So let's apply logarithmic law using product rule. The rule says log a plus log b equal to log ab. Applying this to our equation, log of x minus 1 into log of x minus 4 equal to 2. Log of x into x is x square, x into minus 4 is minus 4x, minus 1 and x into so 1 into x is minus x, minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4 equal to 2. So let's simplify it further. X square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 2. Now let's remove the log using inverse log function. So if we remove the log, the equation becomes x square minus 5x plus 4, and this 2 becomes 10 to the power of 2. Remember, inverse log base 10 of x equal to 10 to the power of x. Now the equation further simplifies to x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 100. Now let's apply quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation says x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. In our case, a is nothing but the coefficient of x square, that is 1, and b is nothing but coefficient of x, that is minus 5, and c is nothing but 4. Okay, sorry, the c is nothing but we need to bring this 100 to left hand side. Now let's solve that before we start. So here our equation is 1x square minus 5x plus 4 minus 100 equal to 0. So 1x square minus 5x minus 96 equal to 0. So in our case, the c becomes minus 96. So let's apply the quadratic equation and solve for x. X becomes minus of minus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 1 into minus 96 divided by 2 into a is 1. The equation becomes minus into minus 5 is plus 5 plus or minus square root of 25 plus 96 into 4, that is 384 divided by 2. X equal to 5 plus or minus 25 plus 384, that is 409 divided by 2. So now x can be equal to 5 minus 4 minus square root of 409 divided by 2, or x can be equal to 5 plus square of 409 divided by 2. So In this case, 409 is approximately about square root of 409 is approximately about 20. So 5 minus 20 is negative number. So this is negative, and hence reject. And 5 plus 409, square root of 409, so it comes approximately 20 plus 5 is 25, divided by 2 is more than 12. So x is, in this case, x is more than 4. So that satisfies, and this is our answer.